Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to folks on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, the negative impact of crime and violence in Manchester is starting to take a toll on citizens. Many, including students at the Northern Caribbean University, say they're now living in fear.
This in a parish which was once seen as a retirement haven for returning residents. Anthony Lugg reports.
Albion and surrounding communities in Manchester have become a figurative ghost town in recent weeks following a spate of robberies and shootings. But on Thursday, it was the opposite.
We are here trying to teach the children conflict mediation, how to live peaceably with each other, but then the whole community, we are all in this thing together.
The police and Member of Parliament walked through the communities to engage citizens. This was followed by a meeting. The most frequently asked question:
what is the committee going to do to give some assurance that Albion is good?
TVJ News has learned that the tension has reached fever pitch and students from the Northern Caribbean University NCU are fearful. Renox Seavright is the Director of Security and Risk Management at the institution.
The issue is crime, but even when crime is absent, then there's a perception of crime. And that in of itself, the fear of crime, is sometimes worse than crime itself. And if they have that fear, it is not going, it doesn't just affect NCU, it affects you as well. Because if you have properties to rent, then they're not going to use it.
But students aren't the only ones concerned. Manager at the National Water Commission, Jermaine Jackson, also highlighted several issues.
We would like to know and feel safe enough that when my officers step in, there's no harm. At present, the whole situation has also affected how we even dispense of certain services, inspections, reconnection, new supply, because my team, they made it clear to me that they're afraid.
Meanwhile, the police have since increased their presence in the area, and there is a view it will require more to bring the situation under control. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.